Hello friends. The most important question you can ask is the question that you ask yourself. David Grogan. David Grogan is an athlete now. He is an ex-US Navy SEAL, ex-US Air Force Chief Petty Officer. He has written this quotation in his book, You Can't Hurt Me. I really liked it very much. Namaskar, I am Smita Mittal, family and relationship coach. Up till now, I was talking about the relationships that you have with your family, friends, and outsiders. But today, I want to discuss the most important relationship of all, the relationship that you have with yourself. Because this is one relationship that transcends all the relationships that you have with the world outside. This is the only relationship that we carry when we go out to meet others. Whether that relationship is with the family or friends or relatives or career or goals or our relationship with finances, every other relationship depends on the relationship that we have with us. So it is very important that before we go out to develop relationships with others, the world outside, we go within and see what kind of relationship we have with us, how we relate to that relationship, where we have placed ourselves in that relationship. We have to sort things within first to go out and sort things outside. If within us there is everything tangled, and we expect that the things outside the world will be comfortable, everything will be sorted out in our life, it's just not possible, because there is so much of confusion, entanglement going on within us, that however hard we try, if the things within are not sorted out, we will not be able to sort out anything outside. So friends, my today's most important advice is, if you want to sort anything outside, first look within. How you relate to the problem outside, where you have placed yourself in that problem. And then based on that knowledge, that awareness, you go out and you will find that things outside are getting sorted and the life is much more smoother. But always remember, to have a smoother life outside, you have to iron out all the confusions within. I hope you follow this advice, you try it, you experiment with it, and please, once you succeed, then don't forget to give me the feedback. Please like and subscribe my video. Remember to click the bell icon so that you are notified of my next upcoming videos. Thank you so very much.